and fine voice for this exhibition game. Though it's not a competitive fixture, both teams will still want to win. They're playing 4-1-2-1-2. This diamond-shaped midfield supports both defence and attack. Off we go. Let's hope for some goals then today. Finds his teammate. That's nicely played. Well read. Good ball. Good distribution. Oh, it's a goal. Let's take a closer look at that goal now. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. Is this a goal? Oh, what a great goal. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. Now it's Pogba. Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play.
Stand up, you've gotta find. It's a temporary feeling, not like it's like a war.
Here's Varane. Great headed goal there. He really got behind that one and gave the goalkeeper absolutely no chance. Passed well. Oh, he gave the goalkeeper no chance. Solid strike there, never in doubt. And now it's Matip. Wayward pass, normally so accurate with his distribution. That's good link-up play. Confident pass. He's headed the ball forward. Surely now. And it's Ronaldo. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Well, a great first half. Let's hope the second half will be just as entertaining. They're going to need to improve in this second half. They're behind. Well intercepted. It's Messi with the ball. Cancelo with the tackle. They have the ball again. It's with the striker. Just the goalkeeper to beat now, and there it is. Goal! That's his second goal. It's a tactical change here then. And that's lofted upfield. That one has gone out of play. Headed on. Good distribution. Oh, determined challenge there. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all. And that's his hat-trick. He's been unstoppable today. Just what they needed. A great goal. And here's a build-up to that great goal. Tactical change here then. The manager will be very happy here. Perfectly executed. Good, clean challenge. Passed well. Cancelo with the tackle. And back to the goalkeeper. Dominating the play now. That's in there all time. Yep, no arguments there. Great performance from a player who really is in fine form.